Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. Today I'm trying out another indie brand of makeup, and that is the brand Loca Lashes. Loca Lashes is a Latina-owned, California-based beauty brand, and the palette that I picked up, the first product that I've picked up from this brand, is the Conchas Locas Eyeshadow palette. This palette was released last month in June, and take a look at those 9 gorgeous shades. You do get a mixture of mattes, shimmers, and pressed glitters in this palette, and it retails for $18.99 on the Loca Lashes website. Now, I came to know Loca Lashes through my friends over at Motivate the Earth, Ariel and Adley. They post so many updates on new releases from indie makeup brands. I will leave all of their details in the description box down below, so you can definitely go check out Motivate the Earth, and so that you can check out Loca Lashes page as well. I am so excited to be trying this palette because, guys, these are what they call conchas. However, where I live, and I live in South Texas, I live very close to the Mexican-American border, we call these molletes. At least that's what we call them in my family. And I happen to have gone to one of my local bakeries, which is the Paris Bakery, and I picked up some mini conchas, or molletes as I call them. Now, they do have different, I don't want to say their flavors, because to me, they all taste the same no matter what color they are, but they do, I guess you can categorize them as chocolate, strawberry, vanilla, and the yellow, I'm not too sure what the yellow would be. It's not banana, and it's definitely not lemon, but they have a yellow one. I just didn't have the yellow one in this pack up. But usually they are a bigger size. What I have here is the mini version. And guys, it's just bread and sugar, basically. That's why we call it sweet bread. So this is what the mini concha, or mollete, whatever you want to call it, we call it mollete. This is what it looks like. It is so good. A lot of people like to eat these in the afternoon with some coffee. I am not a coffee drinker, and I don't just want to eat these in the afternoon. I could eat them every single day, all day long. Guys, I grew up eating this sweet bread. I grew up eating all kinds of different types of sweet bread, and a lot of it was inspired by Mexican culture. So this is nothing new for me. This is a major treat for me. So soft, so delicious. It's the best. So I don't know about you guys, but I've been seeing a lot of food palettes being released. I love that. I love to eat. So when I saw this one, I thought, you know what? I'm dying for a piece of sweetbread. I really love the concept, and what a nice video it'd be to combine the two together. So that was my whole driving force in purchasing this palette. I knew that if I got the palette, I was going to get me some sweetbread, and that's exactly what I did. So I'm going to be creating the look that you see here right now using this gorgeous eyeshadow palette. I just love that it has neutral shades and fun pops of color. I want to just really quick go over the shade names with you because those are really cute. Those are really unique. Right here you have Conchas Locas, which is the name of the palette. In the middle you have Pandereria. I hope I pronounced that right, and that means bakery. Then you have Panadero. The panadero is the baker. Over here you have Antojito. Antojito means appetizer, if I'm not mistaken. In the center you have Sweetie. That's easily understandable. And then over here you have Dulces. Dulces means candy. Over here, on this side, you have concha, which is what I just ate. In the middle, you have pan dulce. Pan dulce means sweet bread. And then over here, the last shade is baked. Really nice palette, really on theme, and I love that it's in English and Spanish because it helps me at least practice my Spanish vocabulary, and I just love the color story of it. So let's jump into the tutorial portion of today's video using the Conchas Locas eyeshadow palette from Loca Lashes Cosmetics. If you want to see how I got the look right here, keep on watching.
I was kissing you with my eyes open, but you said keep them closed and be in the moment. So I did my best to make you feel wanted. But what about what I want? What about what I want? And what I wanted was to crash with my okay, okay. I would tell you everything I believed in, but you said shut it off, you're too old for dreaming. So I did my best to feel what you're feeling. But what about what I want? What about what I want? Cause what I wanted was to laugh at the way you laugh at the way I laugh, but instead you were moody, and you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, and
so what do you guys think about this look I created using one of the newest palettes from Loca Lashes? Let me go ahead and take you through my experience in using this palette. I do love that it comes with a full-size mirror. I really like that you can just fold the mirror back and then hold the palette like this. You do get really large pan sizes in there, and then you get a really nice mix of neutral shades with those fun pops of pink. Like, this is definitely wearable for every day. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. I do like that they have the two pressed glitters in there and they do feel really wet. I enjoyed applying those with my finger. The only shade I did not use in this palette was the Conchas Locas shade that's up here, but I can go ahead and swatch that for you. And that's a really pretty pressed glitter there. I'm gonna actually be creating a look for my Instagram account using this palette, and I'll definitely be sure to use that shade. All of the other shades performed really well. There was very little kick up in the pan, and I really didn't experience any fallout. Even using the pressed glitter, I really didn't get any fallout. I think I got like maybe 1 or 2 specks and they came off really easily, so I'm really happy about that. There was one shade that kind of caught me off guard, and this is the shade Pan Dulce right here. I thought that it looked a little more orangey when I applied it to my eyelid versus how it looks in the pan. So that was the only color that kind of threw me off, but it didn't turn out to be a bad color either. It was a really pretty shade. They all blended out really well, and I think you'll be able to create a lot of fun looks with this palette. Guys, and perhaps my favorite part about this palette, about this Conchas Locas palette, is that I'm supporting a small business. Loca Lashes is an indie brand of makeup, and they are located in California. If you're able to support the brand, I encourage you to pick up this palette and maybe a pair of their lashes, because they had some really awesome lashes on their website. This palette retails again for $18.99. Alright guys, so that completes today's video trying out a new indie brand to my stash. This is the Loca Lashes Conchas Locas Eyeshadow Palette. Don't forget to go to your local bakery and pick up your sweetbread, your baked goodies sometime this week. I'm going to enjoy another little concha here, or mollete as we call them in my family. Cheers guys! I will see you all really soon. Thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. You guys have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated guys. Drink your water, eat your sweetbread, and I will see you all very soon. Bye!